Yo, Sky Reaper here man, kina-ride. Napakarami ng videos tungkol dito at parang sobrang panis na itong issue na to, pero marami pa rin ang kumakain ng panis. Okay. So may nagtanong sa akin tungkol sa knee dragging. For street riding, you don't need to drag your knees. Hindi mo kinakailangan magpasayad ng tuhod for street riding. Sa tunay, ito yung hindi naiintindihan ng marami. Ang goal of cornering for the street is safety, right? Okay. Isang tabi muna natin yun. Ang goal of cornering on the racetrack is to corner faster than anybody else. Yung makakuha ka ng faster cornering speed. And how do you do that? It's all about science and physics. Okay. Kung pag-uusapan ng knee dragging, hindi goal ang pasayarin mo ang tuhod mo. Kung isa kang rider ngayon, big bike rider, sports bike rider, at ang goal mo is sana mapasayad ko yung tuhod ko, sana mapasayad ko yung siko ko, then do us a favor, huwag ka nalang mag-ride. Knee dragging is not a goal. Hindi yun yung goal na kailangan mo ma-achieve o ma-unlock. No, it's not even a skill. Yun yung hindi naiintindihan ng marami. It's all about the science of leaning your bike to turn the bike, and it's all about being fast in corners. Ito, aminin ko, wala akong karapatan na magturo tungkol sa cornering on the racetrack using a motorcycle. But nangangarera ako ng kotse, and I know how to corner a car really, really fast on a racetrack. At saka sa autocross, and I know how to do drag racing. Okay. So, magbe-base lang ako sa alam ko sa physics. Okay. If you want to corner faster, you have to lean the bike more. Yung more lean angle na yan, it will help you balance out yung centrifugal force na ibabato ka palabas at yung gravity na hihilahin ka pababa. Kapag hindi ka nag-lean ng sapat na lean and you want to go really, really fast, chances are ibabato ka ng centrifugal force palabas ng corner. Ngayon, if you are leaning too much and you're not going that fast, gravity will take you down. So, meron siyang balance point. Hahanapin mo ngayon yung balance point na yun ng lean to go as fast as you can in a corner. Yun nga lang, itinuturo ng mga advanced motorcycle instructors and even yung mga basic motorcycle instructors, lean equals risk. The more you lean a motorcycle, the more you risk losing the grip. Kaya na-imbento yung tinatawag na nakalawit ang upper body sa motor o yung hanging off the bike. Yung hanging off the bike, it means pwede kang gumamit ng less lean angle. You hang off the bike to offset or compensate for the less lean angle, and you can still go faster. Actually, sobrang dami ko na nagawang videos tungkol dito. Inuulit ko na lang ngayon. If you want to go faster with lesser risk, then you have to use body position to offset the lean angle, to compensate for the less lean angle. It means, kokonti lang yung lean mo, yung minimum lang na kinakailangan, then you hang off the bike, mababalance mo yung centrifugal force at saka yung gravity, and you can go faster in a corner. Now, yung knee dragging na yon is just a consequence of hanging off the bike. Hindi naman pwedeng naka-hang off the bike ka, yung tuhod mo nakapirmi lang sa tangke, lalo na yung inside leg. Let's say if you're going left, so yung left leg. If you're going right, yung right leg. Actually, mahirap siyang gawin. Hindi ko na i-demo ngayon kasi baka malaglag ako eh. Pero kung magha-hang off the bike ka, let's say to the left, pero nakapirme pa rin yung tuhod mo dito sa tangke, it's so difficult and it's so risky. It's just stupid. Talagang bubuka at bubuka ang tuhod mo. Bubuka at bubuka ang paa mo if you are hanging off the bike. At yung pagbuka ng tuhod na yon, hindi siya yung dapat na priority na ibuka mo yung tuhod mo para lumapat sa simento. No. Kaya siya bumubuka dahil it's a consequence of your body position. Yung proper body position mo while cornering, ang consequence niya is lalawit at lalawit talaga ang tuhod mo. Ang benefit nun is that you can use your knees as reference para alam mo kung nasa limit ka na nung hinahanap mo na lean angle for that corner. So it's a reference point. Okay, there is this very good short video of Jorge Martin, MotoGP rider ng Pramac Ducati satellite team. Nakalin siya sa corner ng 59 degrees. Actually, hindi siya, yung motor niya. Yung motor niya, yung kanyang Ducati GP22 MotoGP bike, nakalin ng 59 degrees. Left corner. Pero kitang-kita dun sa video, dahil sobrang baba na nung motor niya, actually itiniklop na niya yung tuhod niya papasok. Hindi na nakalawit yung tuhod niya, hindi na nakabuka yung paa niya, hindi na nakabuka yung kanyang lower body. Nakatiklop na. Kasi sayad na yung yung motor eh. He was doing 110 kilometers per hour, 59 degrees of lean, left hand corner. Alam mo yung sumasayad doon? Ang sumasayad na sa kanya, balikat niya at saka yung siko niya, sumasayad na. Yung ulo niya is just 10 inches away from the pavement, from the curb. Yun yung kinakailangan niyang gawin, to go 110 kilometers per hour dun sa left corner na yun. Pero hindi nakabuka yung tuhod niya, hindi nakabuka yung paa niya. Isinarado pa niya nga kasi nga nakalawit, nakababa na, sobrang baba na ng motor niya. And he was hanging off the bike. Ito yung kanyang left hand grip, ito yung mukha niya nandito. Nandito na yung, ito yung grip niya, left hand grip, ito yung helmet niya. He was hanging off the bike. Kung hindi niya ginawa yung body position na yun, he cannot do 110 kilometers per hour, 59 degrees on that left corner. Now, ito yung tanong bago tayo mag 10 minutes. As street riders, do we need to do that sa public roads? 110 kilometers per hour sa left corner. Halimbawa sa, ano ba ang left corner? Big C. Big C paakyat. O kaya yung second part ng Devil's Corner paakyat. O yung second pareho pa lang second part yun. Anyway, any corner sa Marilaki. Are we supposed to go 110 kilometers per hour? Sa cornering sa public roads? Do we need to lean our big bikes ng 59 degrees of lean sa public roads? Do we really have to go faster on public roads? Street riding. Ito yung huli kong tanong. Napakaraming paraan para pekein ang knee dragging at saka ang elbow dragging. Napakarami. May nakita akong picture dati na yung motor nakatayo pero yung rider nakalawit para lang mailapat yung tuhod niya. Is that what you want to do? Yun ba yung gusto mong patunayan? Yun ba yung gusto mong ipakita sa social media? Na napalawit mo, napakaskas mo yung tuhod mo in that way? Is knee dragging the goal of cornering? It's not.